Hello everyone, I am Fazi and I am at Beifang Education. Here we have our product, that is a battery electrical vehicle. Our product is divided into 6 parts. The central unit, the air conditioning, the battery, then we have high voltage control unit, the motor and the low voltage electrical appliances that are on a electrical board. If we talk about controlling all the parts, then we can see all the parts, they're connected to each other and then to this central unit as in the original car. So if we want to control all the parts, we see all the parts can be controlled through the central unit. Let's have a try and try to show some working and some low voltage appliances working. So using the central display, we can see about the lighting. If we talk about the mirrors, we can fold and close the mirrors. Then comes the seat. The movement of seat, it can be controlled through the central display unit. The conclusion to all this is that all the parts of the car, they're connected to this central unit and they can be operated like in the original car through the central unit. If we talk about the motor controlling system, then we can see the axle and the motor, they can be controlled through the central display unit. It can be reversed, it can be moved to the front. Then we can see testing terminal and the testing board attached to all the 6 parts of the cars. They are for the teaching and testing purposes. On the display, we can see a circuit diagram. That is for, if we see the circuit diagram, then we came to know it's for the guidance of the teacher and students to understand the function of these testing terminals and to record the real-time data. So the conclusion of all this, that our product is all original, it's functioning in a proper condition, and all parts are from original battery electric car. So it's more convenient for the students and teacher to learn from this product. So for more exciting videos, please visit the website of Beifang car.